because the attention of the House is drawn to the urgent need for a master plan to safeguard the UNESCO World Heritage Sites in Old Goa. Despite the Archaeological Survey of India protecting 14 heritage monument sites under the Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act 1958 with prohibited and regulated zones, illegal construction attempts persist. A master plan and strict enforcement of rules and regulations are essential to preserve these sites. The steps the government will take into this matter.
Because what honourable member has raised is an issue which we have gone through in detail at depth. I have asked them to circulate the reply that our department has given. I have asked them to circulate just now. As far as 100 meters precursors goes, he's talking about the illegal construction. But if you give me anything specific, because from when I became a minister, we notified that 100 up to 100 meters is a prohibited area.
There's a bungalow there. There's a bungalow already there.
No, no.
I'll give you. I'll speak.
And 100 to 300, you require NMA and ASI permission before you take any kind of thing. And under conservation zone, whatever repairs and maintenance and other things are concerned, within 100, that under conservation committee gives the permission. But here everything has been notified. For the first time, notification which was not clear has been mapped on the regional plan. And you don't require specific regional plan because all these the churches and every monument that is there is already been notified and it's already there on the plan. So those areas are already restricted. So prohibited areas 100. If there's anything specific you want me to look at, you let me know. I'll take it up.
Speaker sir, हो एकदम एक important issue आहे आणि खास करून the UNESCO heritage sites are at Old Goa. And Speaker sir, these are properties of outstanding universal value. When I say that, Speaker sir, today these have become world's treasure located in Goa. We saw the amount of people that came during St. Francis Xavier's celebration. And त्या वेळार Speaker sir, आज government हांव सांगपाक सोदतां, there have been multiple reports of illegal structures and religious construction near these heritage monuments, like Sir Cathedral, near St. Cajetan Church. 21-22 on Speaker sir, a controversial bungalow came up in the regulated zone with TCP permission. आणि त्या वेळार Speaker sir एक public outrage झाली आणि eventually हे permission was revoked by the TCP. But Speaker sir, the structure पडहा till today it exists despite revocation. हांवें पयलें म्हणलेलें मुखेलमध्ये सांगलेलें तो योगी थिंग उडयत हा मू यूपीन कितले स्ट्रक्चर तूं तो बुलडोजर घेवन उडय मू बरीच पटली. बिकॉज सर हे आज सेव ओल्ड गोवा एक्शन कमिटी आज दे हैव मेड अ रिप्रेजेंटेशन टू यू एज वेल की हे विजिलंट लोक आज आमच्या स्टेटाचे दे हैव प्रोटेस्टेड डिमांडिंग बट स्टील देयर इज नो एक्शन. बिकॉज सर I don't know why the government has so much love for this bungalow and not for the people of the state. You have their permission to have to revoke kela, but still it is pending. Speaker sir, Old Goa today is not just a tourist site, but it is a spiritual, architectural and a cultural symbol. A goinchi symbol and a goinchi global legacy. And a protection, a preservation is just not for tourists, but for posterity. Speaker sir, I strongly advise that the Honorable TCP department, you need to roll out with a master plan. Now, what is this master plan? It needs to incorporate the provisions pertaining to the protected and regulated zones as per the ancient monument and archaeological sites and remains. Now let me finish. Let me finish.
Honorable member Viswala Sangpak, they already circulated the answer.
No, you give me an answer.
Gazette has already protected sites in 2021 has been notified.
No.
As per that only we have to go.
There has to be strictly a message of Kesli construction within 100 meters from the boundary of the notified ASI monument. In the past, there have been attempts, eco resort, several other things because that have made yesterday also tourism minister job project these norms have to be followed because of permission beyond 100 meters up to next 200 meters requires permission from the National Monuments Authority, from NMA. Now, this has to be made more specific or monument specific. When I say monument specific, these are not only national monuments, because these are UNESCO heritage sites. It's because of consultation with TCP, and you all have to take the panchayat also into confidence. आज कितने ज़्यादा speaker sir, a lot of facilities there. Development are incompatible with the character of the area. खास करून buffer zone, you have to put legal restrictions and on its use of development. Speaker sir, this will be an additional layer of the protection that you've inscribed. You have to give these legal restrictions. Speaker sir, I demand that a document management system stating how the property will be preserved. You come out with these guidelines. Because resources for its protection and management is something that the government needs to look at. A conservation committee, आसपाक जाय. You take TCP department, archaeological department, tourism, village panchayat, representations of the church. This committee is because म्हाका दिसता सगळे stakeholder आगे. There is no representative of the church. Because म्हाका दिसता जे सारांश असो की preparation and implementation of a master plan as per UNESCO and NMA guidelines needs to be done. Formation of a conservation committee with representation from all the stakeholders. Demarcation of your buffer zone for heritage sites needs to be shown on the RP 2021.
It's already
And
shown.
as state and national monuments, you need to include all unidentified monument sites in this heritage list. And एक inspection team immediately to identify all the structures which are illegally constructed in this buffer zone, and it needs to be headed by possibly the North Goa collector or a retired High Court judge. Because our issue ekdam gambhir asa, Honorable Minister, I think you need to look at this very sensitively, because this is something to do with our culture, something to do with our heritage. Thank you, sir.
Yes.